Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to see license on Steam. So if you purchased any license or any product in Steam, follow these steps to easily see your license or product key. Once you are in your Steam homepage, click on your name and click on account details. Once you are in your account details page, make sure to select account details here and you will get this option here, view license and product key activation. Just click on that. And here you will get all of your license and product key. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.